Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the universe of scientific discovery, exploring the 10 most mind-blowing breakthroughs of the last decade. From the tiniest particles to the vast cosmic ocean, we'll uncover the secrets that have reshaped our understanding of the cosmos and our place within it. Get ready to have your mind blown wide open. We're talking about discoveries that would make Einstein himself jump out of his chair, things that were once confined to the realm of science fiction, now becoming reality before our very eyes. So, buckle up, get ready for a thrilling ride through the cosmos of knowledge, and let's embark on this adventure together. Imagine the universe whispering to us, revealing its secrets through ripples in space-time. That's what happened when LIGO first detected gravitational waves in 2015. This discovery confirmed a key prediction of Einstein's theory of general relativity. Einstein saw gravity as a curvature in space-time caused by massive objects. Gravitational waves are generated by violent events like black hole collisions. Two black holes collide, sending ripples across space, whispers of that event. We can detect those whispers, echoes of events billions of years ago. This detection opened a new window into the universe. Now, we can hear the whispers of the cosmos itself. This discovery revolutionized astronomy, offering a new way to study the universe. The universe is talking to us, and we're finally starting to listen. From the vastness of space, we turn our attention inward, to the very building blocks of life itself, our genes. CRISPR gene editing has the potential to rewrite the future of medicine and genetics. It's a revolutionary tool, a molecular scalpel that allows scientists to precisely target and edit DNA sequences. Imagine correcting genetic defects, eliminating inherited diseases, or curing cancer by targeting cells at the genetic level. That's the promise of CRISPR technology. But with great power comes great responsibility. The ability to edit life raises profound ethical questions. These are questions we need to grapple with as this technology advances. CRISPR could reshape the future of medicine and our understanding of humanity. For decades, physicists have been on a quest to understand the fundamental building blocks of our universe, the particles that make up everything we see and interact with. At the heart of this quest lies the Standard Model of particle physics, a framework that describes the fundamental forces and particles that govern the universe. But one crucial piece of this puzzle remained elusive for years: the Higgs boson. The Higgs boson, often referred to as the God particle, is no ordinary particle. It's responsible for giving other particles their mass, a concept that's fundamental to our understanding of how the universe works. In 2012, after decades of searching, scientists at CERN announced the discovery of a particle that matched the properties of the Higgs boson. This groundbreaking discovery sent ripples through the scientific community, confirming a crucial aspect of the Standard Model and deepening our understanding of the universe's fundamental workings. The search for life beyond Earth has captivated humanity for centuries. And what's more essential for life as we know it than water? In a discovery that reignited our fascination with the red planet, scientists confirmed the presence of liquid water on Mars. This wasn't just ancient, long-gone water, but evidence of flowing, salty water, potentially harboring microbial life. Imagine the possibilities. Could there be tiny Martian microbes swimming in those briny Martian waters, evidence of life beyond our planet? This discovery has profound implications for the future of space exploration. It makes Mars a more tantalizing target for future missions that could search for signs of past or even present life. The discovery of liquid water on Mars is a reminder that the universe is full of surprises, and that the quest to find life beyond Earth is more exciting than ever. Get ready to enter a realm where the ordinary rules of computing no longer apply. We're talking about quantum computing, a revolutionary technology that harnesses the bizarre world of quantum mechanics to perform calculations that would take classical computers billions of years. In 2019, Google made a groundbreaking claim. They achieved quantum supremacy. This means their quantum computer, Sycamore, performed a specific calculation in just 200 seconds, a task that would have taken the world's most powerful supercomputer, Summit, an estimated 10,000 years. This milestone marked a turning point in computing history, opening the door to solving problems that were once considered impossible. Imagine developing life-saving drugs, creating unbreakable encryption, or designing entirely new materials, all thanks to the power of quantum computing. The era of quantum computing is still in its infancy, but the potential is staggering. It's a realm where the impossible becomes possible, and the future of computing takes on a whole new dimension. We often think of ourselves as individuals, but what if we told you that you're actually a walking ecosystem, home to trillions of bacteria, viruses, and fungi? This hidden world, the human microbiome, has been largely overlooked until recently, but thanks to groundbreaking research, we're finally beginning to understand its profound impact on our health. The human microbiome plays a crucial role in everything from digestion and immunity to mental health and even our susceptibility to diseases. It's like a hidden organ, working tirelessly behind the scenes to keep us healthy. Scientists have discovered links between the microbiome and a wide range of conditions, including obesity, autoimmune disorders, and even autism. This new understanding has opened up exciting avenues for developing new treatments and therapies, targeting the microbiome to improve human health. The human microbiome is a testament to the interconnectedness of life on Earth, and a reminder that we still have much to learn about the intricate workings of our own bodies. For millennia, humanity has gazed up at the stars and wondered, are we alone in the universe? In the last decade, the search for extraterrestrial life has taken a giant leap forward, with the discovery of thousands of exoplanets, planets orbiting other stars. These aren't just any planets. Many of them are located within the habitable zone of their stars, the sweet spot where conditions might be just right for liquid water to exist on the surface, a key ingredient for life as we know it. Imagine Earth-like planets orbiting distant stars, perhaps harboring alien life forms gazing up at their own night sky, wondering if they too are alone. The discovery of these exoplanets, particularly those in the habitable zone, has fueled our imaginations and intensified the search for life beyond Earth. With each new discovery, we're getting closer to answering that age-old question: are we alone? Artificial intelligence, once the stuff of science fiction, has rapidly become a reality, transforming industries and challenging our very notion of intelligence. From self-driving cars to facial recognition software to personalized medicine, AI is already having a profound impact on our lives. One of the key drivers of this AI revolution is deep learning, a powerful type of machine learning that allows computers to learn from vast amounts of data. By analyzing massive datasets, deep learning algorithms can identify patterns and make predictions with remarkable accuracy. This has led to breakthroughs in natural language processing, image recognition, and even drug discovery. AI is being used to diagnose diseases, translate languages in real time, and even compose music. The rise of AI raises important questions about the future of work, ethics, and even the nature of consciousness. As AI continues to evolve, it's crucial that we consider its potential benefits and risks, ensuring that it's used responsibly for the betterment of humanity. The Earth's climate is changing, and the evidence is overwhelming. From rising sea levels and melting glaciers to more frequent extreme weather events, the impacts of climate change are becoming increasingly difficult to ignore. The past decade has seen a surge in scientific research, providing even more compelling evidence that human activities are the primary driver of this change. The burning of fossil fuels releases greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, trapping heat and causing the planet to warm. This warming is already having a profound impact on ecosystems, weather patterns, and human societies. The scientific community is united in its call for action. We need to reduce our reliance on fossil fuels, transition to cleaner energy sources, and develop sustainable practices to mitigate the worst effects of climate change. The future of our planet depends on it. We've explored the vastness of space, the intricacies of our genes, and the power of artificial intelligence. But perhaps the greatest mystery of all lies in what we can't see. Dark matter and dark energy, two invisible entities that make up the vast majority of the universe's mass energy content, continue to baffle scientists. Dark matter doesn't emit, absorb, or reflect light, making it invisible to telescopes. Yet its gravitational influence is evident in the rotation of galaxies and the large-scale structure of the universe. It's like an invisible hand shaping the cosmos. Dark energy, on the other hand, is a mysterious force that's causing the expansion of the universe to accelerate. Imagine the universe not just expanding, but expanding faster and faster over time, driven by an invisible force we don't fully understand. The nature of dark matter and dark energy remains one of the biggest unsolved mysteries in modern physics. Unraveling their secrets could revolutionize our understanding of the universe and its ultimate fate. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. See you next time.